Yes, that was a clickbait question. But honestly, this WAN model is extremely good. It almost feels like a major update. The prompt adherence is incredibly strong. The latest update is called NSFW Fast Move version 2. In this video, I'm showing the version 2 CAM Fast Move model. Even though it's labeled NSFW, it can be used safely with careful prompting. You don't need to generate any adult content to benefit from its improved motion and prompt adherence. This is an updated workflow from my previous video for loading GGUF models, since I received many requests for GGUF versions. In my testing, the Q6 GGUF models produced higher quality results than FP8, so I'm moving away from FP8 models and switching to Q8 GGUF instead. Segments 2, 3, and 4 are used to extend the video. You can enable them if you want to generate a longer sequence. I've also included a prompt generator that can create prompts directly from video. This is useful if you want to copy or recreate a specific action sequence from a video. After running the video caption generator, I get a prompt for each time sequence in seconds. Let's copy that prompt into the prompt input and load a new image. I've included a LoRa loading stack so you can load your LoRa models here. I've also added the painter image to video node. I reduced the motion amplitude from 1.15 to 1.11 because with the fast move model, the motion was too aggressive. This is an updated workflow, and the download link will be in the description. Enjoy!